I always salute, give you where they look me koro plus they hear me wine on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about the bill for body as it dey hot. Today, we go discuss a very important issue, something where we say it don't happen. But people see they talk about them because earthquake no be something where we say if you hear say it happen, you go just say it don't happen, it don't pass. Then they get what they call after effect, and I we go discuss today. Control the phone lines open so that you, when they hear us, go give us your own opinion. Make everybody for the full Nigeria hear you as you take talk. We've been talking yesterday. Somehow we mentioned pass. Say the before president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria between 1999 and 2007, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, and strong member of the People's Democratic Party, that na the party where we say they rule us for federal level presently, say invest. Talk say he no do politics again. Not be say he no do politics again. Say he want assume the status of elder statesman. That's now elder when we say that papa when go sit down, they look say this one good, this one bad. Now so invest here in membership card of him party. Talk say he no do again. And people gonna talk say this thing when he do not the right thing because he be patriotic Nigerians. Other people gonna talk say the way when he take tell they be like say he don't turn born again. Don't come see say somehow he be like say things no they well or some other people don't say now eye service saying they do and make it be like say make it no just they do that kind of thing. Chukwudi and in brother when sabi well as they concern this matter go chook mouth for this matter. Make Allah do the introduction by himself today.
Of course, let me always do my introduction myself. Why go they launch on that way? Yes, correct country people. I agree to now, I hail now. That is now all my body, everything about me. I take great now for today's edition of As It Dey Hot. Chukwudi don't launch the topic to now. It is still a continuation of the topic, the issue where they on ground, where be the trending issue where they on ground. The resignation or the official resignation of our former president, Oga OBJ. From the People's Democratic Party, PDP. And now he say he want to become elder statesman. That is, he want to sit down. As Chukwudi take talk, they decide to look, this person, no, you don't get that right. That person, yes, you say you get that right. And all that. So you go just they encourage, they advise people on political issues. My name never still changed. My name is Nkubi, and this now As It Dey Hot.
Why you go talk say you they use your body they greet Nigerians?
Yes, of course. I'm excited, young man.
Why you go to use your body they greet
Nigerians? Look, I don't want. I not even listen to Chukwudi this time. I just they listen to me they talk. I say I'm excited to say I use my entire body, everything about me.
Why entire body?
You get issue with that, young man.
Why you go use your entire body they greet Nigerians?
Because
you want massage them? Why you go to say that your entire body they
how
greet
is that
Nigerians?
affecting you? Tell me as they've affected
That the problem when we dey face
they
this.
try pick on me now. What
No.
I do now? I said they take my entire body, they greet Nigerians. How has that affected
Why
me?
you go use the entire body greet Nigerians?
Because I am excited, young man. I am excited.
Excitement, you use your entire body greet
Yes,
Nigerians.
I'm in a very good mood.
Now you go call use your whole body greet Nigerians.
Even if you see my mood, you gonna say yes. Excitement full my body.
You dey give massage. Why you know if you just say okay Nigerians? Why you go use your entire body?
Now wait, why they take this in serious?
No be say why you go
Why they vex you?
Say you dey use your entire
Because
body dey greet Nigerians.
no be you talk am.
Which entire body? Why you go use your entire body?
Because no be you talk about
something
it.
must be involved to use your entire body. Why you go talk say you dey use your entire body dey greet
Nigerians,
Nigerians?
so now they see Chukwudi. Now they launch the first attack on me. See, I dey innocent, my hand they clean at this point. But Chukwudi don't start the attack. Not be when I start now. People could call say Nkubi. If you say you too stubborn, you do stronger. You are your broom people. That not show themselves.
Thank you very much. Say you even use your mouth to confess. He even there for Bible say there for Bible say the tongue. There is power in the tongue.
Yeah, okay. This power. What did they try drive out? There I hear you.
When they drive out, they say why you go they talk say you don't use your whole body, they greet Nigerians. Must you use your whole body?
Yeah, Nigeria I go talk am a million times. And they take my with the mood where they take my entire body, they greet now.
Make you know what you come do for this show. Make you know come begin to do other things. You dey use your entire body, they greet Nigerians. What be entire body? Yes, our people went there for us. When I said we join this discussion, we did on top of Facebook. Go to the Wazobia fan page. like when you like the Wazobia fan page on top of Facebook, anywhere where you see our trend, you go to chook mouth on top. We dey on top of Twitter too, our TV as the hot, and we get a website where we send email to as the hot at wazobiatv.tv. We give you phone lines for you to fit call us and chook mouth for inside this matter. As I talked before, what we discuss today, now we want to check the reaction from people. We go throw the phone lines open, allow you to chook mouth for inside this matter, to talk why or wetin you feel, say, make Oga before President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo tear in ID card verse, say, no be just say, no, dey PDP again, he no do anything politics again. Whether now say, Baba they do am, sake of say the thing they pay am as Nigerian, or Baba they do am because Baba don't become born again, or Baba they do am because of saying na high service. Now wetin people they talk, not be me talk. I just they talk am so that when we throw the phone lines open, you go chook mouth for inside this matter.
Well, on the matter, yes, you don't make we also look at from this angle. For somebody like me, or probably for a lot of Nigerians go feel say yes. Say we don't they see the sign. We don't they see the sign. Say Baba Fi eventually come out from PDP. If he eventually come out, because we don't see. Apart from the fact that Ingo come out a couple of times, say, look, President, this thing not doing right. President, address this thing this way. Okay, President, why this thing? Why no plus 1 plus 1? Make it give you 2. Why don't you do it on your own way? You understand? And they will come also say a couple of visits from people, from PDP top men, strong men. We visit say, Oga Obidi, I beg. This person is picking. I beg, just anything we don't do, just forgive them. Come back to this party. So we don't see the sign. We don't see the sign, and eventually,
make we take this call from Nana. Nana want to come for this matter to tell us what he feel. Be as Oga OBJ don't talk say he no want do politics again. Oga Nana, good morning, sir.
Oga Nana, you there?
Oga Nana. It be like say the network for Abuja somehow everything they stabilize.
If they strong now, because
definitely
the dividends of
definitely. We know say part of the fresh air when we say we receive for inside this country.
As I talk, so we don't see the sign, and then eventually, Oga OBJ don't come and talk. Say, look, I'm no longer a member of the party.
Thank God say you talk about science. Thank God say you talk about science. But before I talk about the science, make we take Obiora. Obiora, they call us from Yola. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Oga Obiora, we greet.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
Good morning, Ogobiora. What thing happen to the phone line?
Definitely now. We know the people when they try.
Abuja, you don't mention Abuja.
No.
This has come from Abuja. Don't talk anything. No, don't give me that.
The Abuja one, we know why.
Why?
You understand? Because the person won't drive point.
Call from Yola. All the entire Ogobiora call. Now, clear service they get.
Because of saying we know where Oga Obiora belongs. We know where Oga Obiora belongs. And that is why interception they happen. Now una they cause am, we know.
See your life.
See, make I can't tell you. Thank God say you talk about science. I go hammer on the word sign. You talk say sign don't they before president they talk say why you know add 1 plus 1 to give 2. Why you do like why
if you know they get result. Okay, you advise your picking,
Thank you very much.
Do this in this way. Picking, do this thing. Picking no agree do.
Thank you very much.
No be to leave your picking to the world, make it leave what you want.
Thank you very much. Why he can't be saying now we want to return to the back, to the days of the past. When I want drag us go back. Now you bring Peking, enter inside this matter. Now make me refer to that. But make I can't tell you, Oga Obije ruled this country from 1999 to 2007, 8 years, 2 terms. Now any rule. We get people when we say don't rule this country before, when still they alive. God bless Shehu Shagari. God bless Yakubu Gowon. God bless Ernest Shoneko, Ibrahim Babangida and General Abdul Salam Abubakar. These people get direct access to the president of the federation. But never for once, I go speak English. Never for once did they go to the president to tell the president say, Oga do am this way, Oga do am that way. They allow him free hand as the president of the armed forces. Why you be say would they see interference for this government? Why you be say people they call them interference for this government?
Listen, who started this the current democratic ruling?
Which current democratic
this
ruling?
Don't they rule for 15 years?
Not
be OBJ.
Is Nigeria not the country for all? Not be everybody get this country. We are all stakeholders in this country. Nigeria and your own. Nigeria and my own. Nigeria for all of us. One person cannot be dictating what we have in this country. Why we want Nigeria? Excuse me, sir.
I'm not excusing you.
Okay.
Allow me talk.
No, okay, continue.
First, we start up a very good platform. Okay, let's say, yes, democratic rule. We don't start up with a new democratic rule. Okay, you don't lay the foundation. So, look, they do like this.
Who lay which foundation? Who know which foundation?
Don't know the foundation.
No.
Why somebody else go come?
Make we take this call.
What I say?
Rebecca go talk am now. Rebecca from Port Harcourt.
Yes, Rebecca, talk am.
Rebecca, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning,
Rebecca, you hear what happened for Okrika yesterday?
Yes.
I hope say the thing not reach on side.
It didn't reach because I'm at job, but I had.
But no casualty, Sha.
Yes.
What would they pray for?
There are so many crises there. Yes.
Okay.
What would they pray for na peace? And we want you when they inside Port Harcourt to they tell everybody say Wazobia TV as in the hot. We say peace Nigeria, nothing bad go happen. I bet Chukma for this matter what they discuss. I know say you go talk through because your name is
Rebecca. Talk through.
Well, what I'm trying to say this morning is that Obasanjo is trying to keep calm, give advices, but there is so many, sometimes he can come out for president, so nobody knows his mind.
Oh,
Wait.
you.
Wait. Oh, right on with the here.
So nobody knows his mind. It's like a python. It's like a python.
Rebecca,
no use that word here. We're not going to allow that kind of word.
Rebecca, that one way you talk.
The ex-president, why could they describe him as no. We won't give room for that.
Rebecca, that one way you talk is strong somehow, but continue.
Okay, so I'm so sorry. So maybe next year he can come out and say, I'm coming out for president. So nobody will hold him. So he's giving advice, but you are there, you are talking, but don't trust nobody.
Thank you. Tell him. Rebecca,
people, tell him.
Rebecca, thank you for calling as the hot and saying the truth. May God bless you. I don't know, as I say, Rebecca from Port Harcourt.
And then Rebecca, and that's why I'm going to ask you. See, Oga President don't come, Oga OBJ we don't rule before don't rule. So you know if he come back, ever say they come back again.
Make we take this call. He go, call us from Abuja.
Oga go.
He go. Oga go for this matter.
They positive today.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
They positive today. Speak what's in your mind. No attack me. I beg of you.
Chukwudi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you too.
Nkubi, wait, Naija, I want face. Naija, I want talk to.
Okay.
See, I want to ask you. They say when you give monkey water with cup, that will not be problem.
Okay.
But to collect the cup back from the monkey, now that will be the problem.
Thank you very much.
I will start from there.
Thank you.
You see this issue of Obasanjo? When the be say during the time of Yaradua regime, when Yaradua enter, he won't try control Yaradua because he say now he put out there, he won't control Yaradua no agree. He tried to submit name of ministers when he say under a cabinet make it give him. Yaradua no agree. During the time of good luck or good luck too, he won't see do him. He don't agree because he say he don't give good luck water with cup. Now he just say no this cup I don't go return it back I go hold him so I make this country better now make this wala cause now he carry this as a good leader. If Obasanjo is a good leader, he go come public, tear a card. Other presidents don't rule us before. They don't tear a card like that.
Thank you very much.
Like that. There's no sign of maturity for it at all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. You see, if I know where he go, they stay. If I know where he go, they stay.
You go send a credit.
No. I go shake your hand.
No, I think say you go send a credit.
I go shake your hand.
Hold on, before you go shake anybody, I will collect this call from Emmanuel. Emmanuel, they call us from Ibadan. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning, brother.
Yes. I bet, Chukma, I trust you.
Yes,
me, my trust, I get trust in you.
My brother, you for there, you say, thank God for Abdul Salam. When you know they took mark for presidency.
Thank you.
Thank God for Yakubu Gowon. Thank God for Babangida.
Yes.
My brother, if everybody did like that, nobody they say, this one wrong, this one good.
Oh.
Is they okay like that?
Tell him.
Wait, make I tell you, I'm not finish. Now, the other man just now when he called that Igor, he say he won't control Yaradua. He won't control, what's in the name, Jonathan. My brother. Now, he tell Jonathan, say make he go they give ex-militant license, make the they import ammunition. He good make person talk waiting he see when he no good.
Oh, okay, Emmanuel.
Don't come and tell us, say, hold on, my brother, wait, cool down.
No, because, no, excuse me. Okay, continue.
Cool down now.
Ride on. Okay, Emmanuel, ride on.
Slow down. If person say, waiting no good, he talk and say, this thing is no good. Now offense.
Oh.
You be if as you did so, you be papa for house. You get wife. Your children they misbehave. You no talk. Your wife no talk. When do you they send your children? my brother, Obasanjo don't go far. If other presidents shut up, you know me say make everybody shut up. At least one person must talk. Even among the disciples of Jesus, Peter go. You know the green matter. Oh. He go say, oh God, see how it be like this. Waiting be our. He dey ask question. Now they say make everybody just shut up. If everybody shut up, my brother, this country will rot.
Okay, Emmanuel, in fact, thank you very much. I don't know what. In fact, it say I feel embrace you from here. I could just embrace you. Thank you very much for your contribution, Chukwudi.
Now the first person.
No, bring it
out of the 5 people who don't come today.
You are a criminal.
Thank you very much.
That's not the rig election.
You are attacking me.
No, that's not the rig.
Okay, Emmanuel,
5 people.
I know say you dey here. Make I come answer your question.
Yes, answer.
Now, I go take you back. History in our friend. 1999, when Nigeria returned to democratic rule, after so many years of military rule, the G34, I go talk their name.
Talk.
People like Alex Ekweme, people like Ojus Okalu, when come and talk, say, okay now, make we form political party. To you see, say, somehow, after these protracted years of military rule, we return to democracy, come and see development for this country. Remember, say, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo? Hey, they lock him up now. They lock him up. They come bring him and say, okay, you don't rule this country before. You be elder.
A man of experience.
Excuse me.
A man of experience.
Excuse me, let me finish.
They wanted a man of experience.
Let me finish.
We go unite the country at that point.
Now, he be the only person who get experience. Remember, I said some other factors there.
This name so he mentioned. When mentioned Ojus Okalu, when mentioned this Alex Ekweme. Not be them even decide, okay, we could bring out this man.
Alex Ekweme was second vice president for Nigeria between 1979 and 1983. For government when we say Buhari truncate. For government when we say Buhari truncate. Make we take this cup. Peter call us from Benin. They say Peter no dey agree, but this Peter go agree.
Peter, good morning. Okay, Peter.
You see him?
You see?
You see him?
You see him?
He said Peter no dey agree. I know say this Peter go agree. The call no.
Peter, you see there?
You see him?
No, they say, what are you?
You see him? We have men of experience.
Yes.
Say, even that 1999, Alex Ekweme follow for the people when we say,
yes.
Say he won't become president for this country.
Lose.
But because of the
equation,
say Moshood Kashima will be he win election for 1993.
No, bring it that
It
is a fallacious lie.
Which fallacious?
A heavyweight lie.
Who be the 2 people who contest for 1999?
Obj and Ekweme.
Olufalaye of the
AD.
Thank you very much.
AD.
And Chief Olusegun Obasanjo of PDP. These are 2 people from the southwest of Nigeria. Why? Because they feel say.
Was there no check? You know, okay. Before we go any further, Clement, they call us from.
I will finish you today.
I will finish you too. Good morning, Clement.
Good morning.
Yes.
Clement from Ori.
Good morning, Clement. Today, you. I bet Chukma for this matter.
The matter. Obasanjo dey fuck up.
Hey, Clement, oh, this
no,
one
use that language. Talk, that language, he heavy, too heavy.
Okay, I withdraw him. The matter be say, make Obasanjo fusion after make he fired than the government. He don't do his own pass. By now, he's supposed to pray for the country. Make the do pass the one when he do.
Thank you very much.
We're not called the act like King Saul. We are at the end of the day. You know how the matter be for Bible. So maybe fusion after he turned up pass. You know what I said? I say turned up pass. Make sure I say turned up pass. May allow the government do their matter.
Oga Clement.
Thank you very much.
Oga Clement. Everything when you just talk now, they clear. Your heart is clear. Your mind is clear. Every point when you make now, they clear.
Because the name is Clement.
Thank you. Obasanjo ruled this country for 8 years.
Make we go back to
Obasanjo start something.
Listen to me. There was, okay, fine. Primary election, when they do that time, in 1999, was it not, they don't make our open say, any interested person come out to, in the end, who contest for that PDP primary election?
Thank you very much.
Ekweme and who?
Thank you very much.
OBJ.
Thank you
and
very
who
much.
eventually won?
Ekweme come out after that thing. He start one English.
Who eventually won?
He said the exercise was a charade. Now what did he talk?
But
meaning say monkey and they inside that
Chukwudi.
How can you rule Nigeria for 8 years? Nobody distract. See, we know they talk of say make you no give advice. We get
under them sake of him. That is the person they talk about. OBJ. Shagun they call us from Kaduna. Shagun, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
I
fine.
I believe you well. You try.
Thank you. Talk to him, namesake.
I just grab your side, no be small.
Thank you.
You know what I want to for this matter?
Yes.
See this our old former president Obasanjo na the best man the man don't do so.
Oh.
Did you understand them?
Why
because the way the country they waka like the man knows they no understand. They get PDP they do us like this, do us like now look the paper tear.
Talk to him, tell him.
I think fear and like that. Chukwudi, no man Chukwudi Nkubi.
Yes, I hear you.
You know that you carry all your body, greet Nigeria.
Thank you.
I carry all my body, they greet Nigeria.
Thank you.
Because the Baba know what thing they do, you know the best thing for us. So Chukwudi, they do your muna, no mind now, yeah? So Chukwudi will say your back, I'm asking to hear that paper, and the best thing don't do that because you know the best thing for us.
In fact, you deserve titleship.
Exactly, you're supposed to give and title for that paper went here alone because he needs change. He man will say yes. The country they do like this. That's why he wants change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
If not be say one person doesn't bear Aremu, and for say okay, may I bring out that Aremu, put on top of your own name. But anyhow, anywhere, anyhow, you said you go get your own title. Don't worry, Shegun. Thank you very much for calling.
You see what? I go what?
What do you want to do?
I go quote something.
What do you want to do? What?
I go quote something. Shagun, I believe that you see the word. I go quote something. The kind of headache when they catch elephants. If you catch mosquito,
elephant come and tell you say headache they catch her.
It's a wise saying.
Why say?
It's a wise saying.
Come and tell you say headache they catch her. Anybody they talk in the first place.
Make we take
Evelyn. Evelyn is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Evelyn.
Hello?
Good morning. Will they hear you?
Good morning.
Yes.
I'm Leslie from Kaduna.
Yes, right on, will they hear you?
You know this issue of OBJ. This OBJ, it don't rule us finish now. It don't rule us. Not supposed to come here to come and now say young shall grow. How can you allow old man to come and put mouth? Just check it now, Nkubi. Check it now.
Okay.
Excuse me, check it.
How can you allow it, man? When a community get issues,
let her talk now.
Okay, right on.
Allow her.
You know, see, there are many people that lose loss now. They have no ever one day to come and talk about
in public, disgrace the ruling power.
Just look at it. Look at everything that rules. They write everything on. They don't write everything on top. This thing, you they as you did now. You they do something now. They tell the other person say, see, you know do that, you know do this, you know do this, and another people did for your back which they don't already rule pass, and you dey here now. They tell her what you don't do this or you don't do this. Because of the time way now way that time way they rule. Let those people when they don't rule pass, why they not tell you say, see, you know do like this, you know do like this. Why not?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Evelyn, God
thank you.
This is 9 people now.
You're a thief.
Don't call me that.
You are a thief.
Don't tell me that.
Why would I tell you that? Why would you say 9 people? Now, so that they rig election.
9 people don't come out now.
Evelyn talk. I think we talk, say, look, how you allow old man? More go also look and they say, well, okay, these same people where they rule, where don't rule us in the past. If they get issues of national interest, they say, issues, not the same people they call. Why do they get this, their normal meeting of past president then? Not to give advice, say, okay, make we do this thing like this. Make we do this thing like this, because we don't get the experience. So what is wrong with what OBJ is saying?
Make we can't take young Chagro. Prince, they call us from Kaduna. Prince, a young man.
Prince, good morning.
Prince, I bet you for this matter.
Chukwudi and Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
I bet talk. At the verse, talk.
Chukwudi, you always always speak the gospel truth.
Thank you very much.
They talk within my mind. You know, talking about Nkubi. What thing on top be saying? What thing I just see for this issue? Obasanjo, former president. What thing they be say? Not just distractions. You just.
I've been advised.
You're just trying to bring distractions because nobody will be the past president of this country. Others will be say they don't rule. They see the why we say we know they to hear their voice. I believe say those people they give good advice on how this nation will move forward. Not bring distractions. Because these distractions is just trying to make intelligent Nigerians so they see the transformation of Presido to share as another thing. To the point of say chicken go die for us, they go say na good luck, Jonathan.
Thank you, Prince.
At least it's not fair. I bet if they see truth, no could they talk them. Intelligence Nigerians they will say we know what is happening. Even in the power sector, we know what is happening. We know say politics don't enter here. You understand? But so if we see truth, no could they talk them. I beg. So,
thank you very much, Prince.
This country will move forward.
Prince.
Thank you.
I go support your kingdom. I go support your kingdom.
Thank you. Before you go support which kingdom, you know the kingdom where you come from. Anyway, before we go support any prince kingdom, make we quickly go out, go drink water. We they come back because it don't just say this matter. Me and Chukwudi will see finish up, and how we take end out. We go end put leg for 1,000. Make we go market to.
If no be say clean water dey this country, say Oga Jonathan come. Welcome back to As See the Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And what we discuss today, now as before President of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo tear in card, that's the PDP membership card, say he not even just the PDP again, say he not do politics again, he want to become elder statesman. Some people don't talk say this thing when he do, now because of say the thing they pay him as things they happen for Nigeria. Other people talk say he don't turn born again, even though he say follow for what he cause the problem. And other people they talk say high service say the thing when they do now because of say he don't know say Oga Jonathan Goodluck they do well make it no come be like say the well when Oga Jonathan do say the thing go pass him own. Ezuku Chukwudi Nkubi dey inside studio and we dey call una make una chook mouth for this matter and na waiting una they do with that. This matter they very very clear and they very very simple and I dey very very happy for all the people wey don't call.
Yes, all the people wey don't call.
Prince, Rebecca. Evelyn, the 9 people wey call to talk say this matter now something when we say even if you won't give advice, you have to call the president and tell the president say do am this way, do am that way, not be to write open letter. I go give one very good example for here. When the before president of Nigeria writes open letter, give our president open letter, say make everybody see am. They publish am for newspaper. He own pikin come write open letter give am. Wetin the before president talk say na the people of Oga President them na them tell him own pikin make he write that kind of letter. If your own pikin fit write letter give you, say you sef, e be like say wetin you dey do no good. It means say you don't get any moral justification. I go speak English to use come and talk say no they do this one. You dey beat your pikin say your pikin dey piss for bed for night. Meanwhile your own wife dey tell you say Nkubi, if you dey sleep for night you get some kind of water when they flow come out o. It means say monkey and dey inside the soup. You have no moral justification to do that.
Wait. Hold on, young man. Wait.
It's an example.
No, wait one cause this one now.
It's an example.
Wait one cause this one.
You dey tell your pikin say you.
Wait! Wait one cause this one now. The first thing they come here can't talk about politics. I don't tell you though. And then, listen, I don't want you like coming to no, they take me the example. Why? You know the last time I pissed for house class?
Thank you very much.
Wait! No, guys, the last time I feel remember say, if I'm not even feel remember, now when I did small picking go be, now I piss for house. So why do they take me the example? What is the meaning of that now? Did my picking piss for house? What do you concern me? I hold me. Go piss for house. What kind of an example is that?
I say if your wife they suspect, say you did.
I don't want that kind of suspect. Don't even use me as an example. To go again say my wife picking piss for house. Say my wife calling suspect. Say me piss for house. You know what that's sweat?
Okay, make I use sweat.
You know what that's sweat they come from?
Hey, sweat. Sweat.
You know, I didn't even mention Ogo. This is a man who say fine. In the come and talk in mind. Talk in mind as they talk. So what are you saying?
Make we take blessing for Ikorodu. Take amazing. Make she bless you with.
Bless you. You know the comment blessing will give. Blessing, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Blessing.
So you mean say Oga Blessing go talk
hold on. Oga Blessing, chook mouth.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Blessing. We dey hear you.
Good morning.
Yes.
I beg, Nkubi, I want to ask one question.
Ask
him, Abi.
You.
Nkubi.
Okay.
As matured as you are, as a young man, can you behave like what that man did in the public? It's not a shameful thing.
Excuse me, answer the question.
No, I don't know if you answer that because we differ as individuals.
This person, the chairman, is it not a bias? Is it not bias? Is it not bias? Do you like it? Do you remember what Obasanjo told his cabinet sometimes? That not all your advice that I will take.
Thank you.
Who is it to advise Jonathan?
I remember.
Jonathan had his own. Obasanjo is not in cabinet of Jonathan now.
Thank you.
He's just a past president. He should relax. Jonathan is a young man. He cannot take advice of Obasanjo. He might even be deceiving him. After after giving it all those advice, but the other time I said, okay, let me use.
Hey, blessing, oh.
Blessing, doc.
Blessing. Hey, I'm blessing. No. Blessing won't talk. I'm the way anything be, and I dey hear now.
Wait, blessing talk, but then I go still need to address within blessing talk. Blessing talk say each now me dey in the shoe of OBJ. Shall we behave like that? The question is, we differ as individuals. See, OBJ, we don't know OBJ for who he is. Now, person will say you go come out, you go talk within day in mind, the way they am. And I'm not saying anything wrong in that. Hold on, I'm not saying anything wrong in that.
They don't see OBJ finish. Like, what do they try talk?
No, in the express the way it's the way they in mind. Don't say this thing. That is what it is. Lucky is calling us from Wari. Good morning, Lucky.
Oga Nkubi.
Yes, good morning, Lucky.
Good morning.
Yes.
You say Obasanjo come here, pick up a membership card for outside there. That's not good at all. That man where if he talk, we are supposed to be listening. Come on, public, share your membership card. You say because you don't want to do it again. Now at this time of the day, I'm supposed to say no one do it again.
Oh, thank you.
When you say election, don't they find a way to distract President Goodluck Jonathan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for not being focused at all.
Thank you.
Not this time around, this supposed to share a membership card. Nkubi, another you don't go to do that kind of thing.
Thank you.
We really look at from your angle. If now you could tell your membership card
for public
like that.
Certain situation I call for it.
No, you could be answer me. You could share that for
certain
public like that.
Certain situation call for
answer it.
Answer with the respect. Former president with the respect.
Oga Lucky, thank you very much.
Lucky, thank you.
Thank you very much. If you even see the way when Lucky they sound, you're gonna say the thing they pay now.
That is why. Listen. Our reactions to what they happen differs. The same way OBJ's reaction to the political issues when they happen for Abu Dhabi take differ. You understand? Sunday, I know say your own point could make sense. You go jail. Sunday is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Sunday.
Yes, good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Right on.
Good on, how work?
Fine.
Ukumbi.
Ukumbi. I hear you.
Okay. First of all, let me ask you, how many years of your role?
8. We all know that.
Yes, how many years?
8 years.
Okay, if you don't rule 8 years, why can't you go back and rest? I saw that rest.
Now, elder statement, in the give advice.
Is he obeying his elder statement?
Now, he hand over.
Okay.
You should also bear that in mind.
Who you hand over to?
Yaradua, where Jonah be assistant.
Excuse me. When you talk of corruption. Now, I be the elder of corruption now. If you see this thing, if you see him very well, look out very well, it's a corruption man. What's his problem? What is his problem? And you are talking all these things.
I hear you.
You don't know what he carry from there.
I hear, right on.
What about your degree? No good.
Oga Sunday, thank you very much for this thing where you don't talk. May God bless you. I know say the way all the 15 people who don't call today, their voice they cool, their voice they sober, because they know say the thing when they know the things when they don't hear.
Okay. I know say Mustafa where they call us now. Mustafa, God bless you. But anyway, we did. Right on. Let us hear your point. I know say your point go jail. It will make sense.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mustafa.
Fine, I work now.
Will they try?
No. Chukwudi, I beg. Chukwudi.
I dey hear you.
Okay. I beg, why they do like so you know the Naija?
No, excuse me.
Tell him.
Wait, hold on.
Tell him.
See, this thing where OBJ do. OBJ don't rule this country for 8 years. Those way he knows say he don't carry. If he say another person knows to carry him, small people knows to carry him, go say drop him. Now waiting they try to do that. You know say this country too heavy for Oga Goodluck.
No, you can't say that. Mustafa, that's a fallacious statement.
No, calm down.
How you go say the country too heavy for our president?
He's still talking. Mustafa, right down.
Calm down. Waiting OBJ do now. He give him go come out for public. Here his card, his PDP card. In do am, so say make people know say true nothing dey. Maybe say they go put them for news. Make people see them. Understand that kind of thing. So me, Chukwudi, I don't understand you the type of what
tell him, make him understand.
Mustafa, I see you. Continue to do.
Thank you.
Mustafa.
Thank you. Don't Mustafa.
No, excuse me.
What?
Mustafa, I know say you dey hear me.
Address him.
Mustafa, I know say you dey hear me. I want you look inside my eye.
Why you go look into your eye?
I want tell you this thing when I want tell you now.
Mustafa, don't look into anybody's eye. You don't talk your point. You don't talk your point.
Look into my eye, make I tell you this thing when I want tell you now. Now, this matter dey very, very simple. Wetin we no fit do for this country for 8 years when person rule this country.
Hold on, pause. Obiora, Ogobiora. Okay,
good morning.
Ogobiora. I know say your own, anyway, right on.
Wetin I want to say is, wetin Obasanjo dey do, me personally, I don't like it.
Thank you very much.
This man don do his own work. And when you remember first part 77, now Obasanjo na started for this country. So as old man, if you're not supposed to attack this man direct, they tell small pikin make them abuse the president. It's not good. You write open letter, you talk this, you go abroad, they talk all sorts of things against the president. So look at this, it's unfair. And tomorrow somebody will be there, and another elder man will still abuse the president like that. So Obasanjo tearing his card is of no use. He's supposed to keep silent, give fatherly advice. Now Obasanjo has turned himself to a mockery object instead of respectable elder that he's supposed to be. So that thing is not good at all. It doesn't mean anything. He went outside and endorsed Buhari and telling us that they want to resign from politics. He can never resign. So what I'm advising him in case he can hear all is that he's supposed to keep calm, give fatherly advice, and show love. Because this country spoiled from Obasanjo. As far as first tax 77, go history, Nkubi. Check your history, you will see. That is where our problem is. And the corruption from 1989 started from the same Obasanjo. So now it is Obasanjo is telling us that good luck is afraid of Buhari, that Buhari will just good luck. Anything that good luck do, good luck do one, Obasanjo do three. So as long as I'm supporting good luck, but the way Obasanjo is taking this thing is going beyond our expectations. So I beg, my own prayer is to make the old man cool down, so that this young man will finish his own tenure, become old again, because another young man will see clam. So if Obasanjo tackle good luck badly and good luck tackle another person, it will not be good. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ogobiora.
Ogobiora, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ogobiora, thank you very much.
You don't do nothing times one tackle.
But after that tank, when I thank Ogobiora, we go rush enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue to take calls. Remember, say what we discuss now as Oga OBJ before President, tear in PDP membership ID card, say he no do PDP again, he no do political party again. Some people talk say he don't turn born again. Other people talk say na eye service, and other people talk say na the love when he get for Nigeria, na he make am do am. What do you think? When we come back, we'll continue the discussion as it dey hot. Everybody don't talk.
No, they talk to everybody. What do you mean by everybody?
We see the on top of the Ogbonge discussion show as see the on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And the topic we want to discuss, and the one where they come on smoke, with the one where we said before President of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, tear in PDP membership ID card, say he no do political party again for PDP or any other party, say he won't become elder statesman. We they take calls and people they tell us what in and think. You self join us. We get telephone when we don't drop. We get toll free line too when we say you go call. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay.
Chukwudi, okay, fine. Make we drift a bit. Make we also look. What be those things? What be those things we make the former president come and say, okay, see, I don't tear my national my ID card in front of Nigeria and say I know they do politics again. If you also look at these are issues we say they affect us all.
We start today.
A lot of them started under this government.
A lot of waiting.
Some of those started under this government.
Can you see? A lot, some.
Hold on. A lot started under this government.
A lot, some.
Hold on.
Where do you stand?
A lot started under this government.
Make we take this call. Lanre, call us from Ibadan. Oga Lanre, good morning, sir.
Hey, my brother, they hail you now.
I dey hail you too. Oga Lanre, abeg chook mouth for this matter.
Nkubi.
Good morning, Jare.
You are the bad of pass for
Thank
this
you.
program. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. Tell him. Make him understand.
Because you know one name you be.
Thank you. One.
You see, all the people they call they don't think like typical African man at all. Why they say if family they scatter, we'll call the elders, make them come sit down.
Not be waiting talk here.
See, if that man will leave madman, will live with mama will die. He go fry and chop. We'll see, they say serious matter we're supposed to attend to. Imagine that they give license to Asai Dokubo. May carry worship enter Nigeria.
That's a fallacious statement, Lanre.
What kind of farm?
Lanre, that's a fallacious statement. It's a fallacious statement. It's a fallacious statement.
Lanre, right on the year.
It's a fallacious statement.
Asai Dokubo is threatening the peace of Nigeria. What do you talk about that?
How you go to say they give a license? It's a fallacious statement.
Okay, is not threatening the peace of Nigeria? What did they talk for TV? It makes sense.
Larry, we get your point.
More talk through. All those kind of things they will not talk. Obasanjo don't want to be party to all these bad things. Now you make a tell that way.
The bad thing
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Larry, thank you very, very much. You don't make a point, and your point, Gel. Thank you for calling. Chukwudi hear him.
Now today the bad thing starts.
He hear him.
He can't even talk of say if you leave madman. Thank you very much.
Now example they give.
Thank you.
So what do you want to talk?
Now why this government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan no go allow mad people they work out for street? We keep them in the psychiatric hospital.
So
thank you very much.
What try talk?
Say that proverb, you know, go even work under this government because this government knows say madman suppose they psychiatric hospital they receive treatment. How you go to say you keep madman? That proverb no they work for 2015 under the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
People we don't support this argument.
Only 3 people.
It's a lie.
Only 3 people.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that figure.
Only Lanre.
Don't give me that figure.
The other 2 people, the call no connect. 16 people. No, sorry, 12 people. Now in call. To talk say this thing when they do, you know they correct.
Chukwudi, Nigerians. Now like this they rig election.
Which rig?
In front of my own eye, for my own koro eye, Chukwudi don't read the result of colours.
Rebecca, Evelyn, Prince, everybody went call today. Don't talk point and clear.
It runs in your blood.
See, I must state it.
It runs in your blood.
I will state it here.
You are stating what?
Emphatically.
That's what?
Emphatically.
That's what?
Now, we get channels where we say, you feel make your grievances known. There's no point being dramatic.
Look at it this way. What channels? What other channels is better off when the leader himself is not listening to advices? Okay, the better channel is, look, that statement don't come out. Look, you are not doing this thing the way you're supposed to do it. You're not doing this thing the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, address this matter this way. Address this matter that way.
How are
these things?
Why you be saying that only you they talk? You be King Solomon.
Because you let him talk. He has the freedom of speech. Make him talk.
You have freedom of speech. Do you have monopoly to knowledge? What
are you saying?
No, make they talk. You they speak English.
No. Make him talk. Allow him. He has the freedom of right.
Thank you very much.
To talk.
The freedom of expression when we say everybody don't get now. Me and you sit down on top of us in the house. They discuss this matter. What would not do before? What would not do before?
What are you saying?
Jonathan administration.
Don't bring that
freedom of information bill.
Don't bring that
freedom of information bill.
What are you saying?
We have seen development. We have seen progress.
State the development you have seen.
You say what?
Yes, state them.
What about the Almajiri schools?
Almajiri schools.
What about the federal universities?
You are addressing structural development, internal development of the school.
Our economy.
Foreign
direct
investment. They build behind the curtain.
Going up in the corruption ladder.
What did they address behind the curtain?
Development everywhere.
They take an IC.
Despite the insecurity problems, when we know the people where they cause them. Despite the political crisis.
Insecurity problems where they never still addressed, even as we speak.
Who say we know the address?
And there are issues, insecurity issues happening around you.
Who say we know the address? Who say we know the address?
Talk me. Who say?
Not they use me. Not they use my mouth.
Don't point at me. Don't even
use my mouth.
Don't even point at me.
Not they use my mouth.
Don't even point at me. What is that?
Why you gonna say who say?
Because that's what come from. Now who say? Now I come from. You don't even know what you want to talk again.
Our people went there for house. Make una remember what they always talk. Nigeria and our country no be anybody personal estate. All the people went to say, now then sabi pass, and they go do all the video to show, say, this road where we won't follow, now there we go follow. Now their own personal opinion. Because this country belong to you, it belong to me. Now why we carry us in the heart, give you, say make you talk am the way when the thing be you for body, and make you chook mouth for this matter. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Keep to the watch Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195 and continue to the watch the #1 program on top of any television for the whole world as in the hot. Tell them bye bye.
And on the note of who say, when you drop, when you never even feel land. When our viewers, I think don't talk. Make no be whether they fight. We don't fight. At least we get our own issues where they not say yes, we don't agree to, and we also get issues where they agree to. But then that one not me say we're going to throw punch to ourselves until we can end issue on as in the hot coming away again tomorrow. From me, we're going to Nkubi rather. We'll see now.
Our people, we pledge peace.
Yes, we pledge peace.
But I go deal with
who say?
But I go deal with
who say? So why don't